All right. Just so we all do our part. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't hit the alerts, hit the bell. And if you like what we're doing, make sure you hit the like. Listen to the end because I have a special surprise for you. So we were looking this morning at the divergence on the day, and we talked about the fact that we had 4 days, we need a little consolidation. So here it is. Here's the consolidation. And I got to tell you, if today was a normal volume trading day and everybody was in the office, that baby would have came down to, say, 762, 750, somewhere around there. I was looking for it. I didn't make any money today because I was looking for that pullback. But that's okay. We got a whole month ahead of us, and we should get some action once this holiday weekend's over. But I wouldn't call this a shooting star or anything. It looks like a doji, spinning top. Momentum's fading off a little bit. If it breaks the low of today, tomorrow, then I think I'll be looking for another pullback of maybe to that 762 mark. But nothing too aggressive. I would like to see that. It'll give me some confidence in this move up. It'll make a nice bull flag, and then we'll wait for that flag to trigger, maybe into next week. The 30-minute looks very indecisive, but that's just everybody closing up and cleaning up. It's no big deal. Wasn't a bad retracement. I mean, if you took it from down here to up here, you're looking at maybe 33% retracement. We'll probably see that 60% tomorrow, which I believe puts us 725, 736, somewhere around there. 736, I'd say. Right? No, I'm being too aggressive. 766. So that 762 number looks pretty good for tomorrow. So I'm going to keep my eye out for that, see if I can't play that. So that's really it. Let's see. The 10-year kind of closed flat. We want to see that move up. Really nothing going on, man. It's a light week. Everybody's on vacation. People enjoying the holiday. And the market's just going to grind its way up, just float up. I mean, you need volume to get a sell-off, and we just don't have the volume. But I think next week, hang on to your britches. I think we're going to give back a little bit next week. But that's just speculation. That's nothing to trade on. So here we are at the end of my little rant and rave, and I promised you a surprise. And the surprise is I duped you. I normally don't do it, but hey, I'm getting desperate. I need the hours. So anyway, hit the bell. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know what I can do for you. I'm happy to take a look at some securities. Tell me the extent of what you're trading, whether you're doing intraday or a swing trade or what have you, or a long-term investment. You just give me a little background. I'll see what I can do to help you. Anyway, have a nice evening. Be calm, be cool, and good luck trading.